How to update firmware of your DJI Mic Mini. So first of all, you would need to enable Bluetooth of your DJI Mic Mini receiver and transmitter. Then you would have to turn on the Bluetooth of your mobile device and connect your DJI Mic Mini set to your mobile devices. Then on the next step, make sure that you have installed DJI Mimo application on your mobile device. Simply launch the app, then go to the category of profile. All you would have to do is log in to your DJI Mimo account once you have created your account. Then all you would have to do is tap on this plus button under Tap to Connect Device. Then make sure that you have connected your DJI Mic Mini set to your mobile device. Once you do so, you'll see the category of wireless mic. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now under General, you'll see About Devices. Tap on this option. Now over here, you can see Firmware Version. Simply tap on it. Now over here, if your DJI Mic Mini's firmware needs update, you would be able to see it over here. All you would have to do is tap on the option of Install. Let's tap on Install. Now, after some time, you will successfully be able to update your DJI Mic Mini firmware through your mobile device. Now just tap on OK on this pop-up. So that's how simply you could update firmware of your DJI Mic Mini. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.